Hello everyone, in this exercise of Autocad we will understand the polygon command, this one, this. In the previous exercise I have explained rectangle option, all option of the rectangle command. I will explain the polygon command. Okay, I am selecting polygon here. Okay, this one. Now this enter number of side. Now the system, you will see the message near the cursor, enter number of sides. Suppose I am giving the six sides, and enter. Now specify center of polygon. Center, I am giving the center, this one. Now there are the two methods: inscribed in a circle, circumscribed about circle. There are the two methods. Let's see. First I am taking inscribed circle. Click here. Now give the radius of the circle. Now this polygon will be made inside a circle, reference circle. Okay, suppose radius of circle I am taking 100. Okay, this 100. Okay, this one. I am zooming it. If I make a circle here, this one. Here circle, I am taking circle, circle radius, center point, and this one. If I take the 100 mm, this one, because I have given the radius for the polygon 100 mm, 100, enter. Now if I select it and make it hidden, this one, escape, this one. If you see this circle is of radius 100 mm, it means that if I take the dimension linear from center to this one, I have given this radius, this one. This is inscribed polygon. It is made inside the circle. Okay. So in geometries, when you will make a drawing, when the corner to corner dimension is to be given, so you have to make the inscribed polygon. This one. Suppose I take this dimension total. Opposite any corner, opposite any corner distance will be 200. This one, double of 100. Okay, this is because I have given the radius of 100 mm. So because polygon is specified in three ways. One is the corner to corner dimensions. One is another way is the flat to this dimension across flat faces. And third is the edge dimension, this one. So this method is inscribed method. Okay, in this way you can make this one. If you make any dimension, suppose I make this one, this to this, no, escape, this will be the aligned dimension, this to this will be any opposite corner dimension will be 200, radius double of the radius. Okay, this is the inscribed polygon. Now I am taking another method, polygon, number of sides, suppose 6, enter, center of polygon, click. Now I am taking circumscribed circle. Please see the difference in this one. Now this radius is from center to midpoint of this flat faces. If I give the radius 100 mm, this one, and enter. So this polygon, if I draw a circle of radius 100 mm, you will see what will happen. Center, this one, and I am giving the radius 100 mm. Now this circle is passing through the flat faces. If I take this, hidden. Now it means you will see this circle. I have made the radius, given the radius of this one, 100 mm given the radius. So this polygon is made outside the circle. That is the circumscribed circle, 100 mm. Okay. So in this dimension will be here. This, if I take this dimension to this dimension, it will be 200. Across any flat faces. If you measure this dimension also, suppose aligned dimension, make this dimension this and this point. This will be 200. So when in the geometry, in the when you make the you are making the drawing, suppose somewhere you have to make the polygon with the dimension is given across flat faces. So you have to adopt this method, circumscribed method. When in the geometry, when you are making a polygon whose corner to corner dimension is given, so then you will have to make the inscribed circle method. Okay, I hope you have followed. Okay, now third is the edge method. You can also use the shortcut command, that is the REC enter. Now you in the polygon command. Give the first point of this for rectangle. No, sorry. This is the polygon, POL. Polygon command shortcut is POL. Enter. Enter number of sides. Suppose you can make the triangle also. Suppose you make the 3. This one. Enter. Now center of polygon. You please don't specify the center of polygon. Otherwise you will go in the inscribed and circumscribed method. So in this time, in place of clicking for the center, please select this one in the command line, edge method. Click anywhere and ortho on. Now give the dimension. Suppose I make the 300, edge 300, enter. This one. So if you measure the dimension, this one, linear, this one. All the sides will be equal. If you take this dimension, align 300. All the dimension will be equal. In this method, you can also make the square also. How? Polygon, POL, enter. Number of sides, suppose I want to make a square, 4, enter. Now, don't specify the center of polygon. Now in the command line, click edge. Click anywhere. Now give the any side, because in the square all sides are equal. Suppose I give 200, this one, enter. Now this is, if you measure the dimension, linear, this one, 200, again linear, this dimension, and this one, this is 200. In this method, okay, you can make the triangle, square. Suppose you want to make the polygon hexagon. Polygon. Now enter number of sides, suppose 6. With the I will make the polygon with the help of the edge command. Enter. Don't specify in the graphic area. Now at this time click. If at this time you will click, then you will go for the inscribed or circumscribed circle. Okay. Now I am clicking edge method. Click and give the side, any side, regular polygon. Suppose I give the 100 mm. This one, enter. Now this polygon, all the sides will be equal. If you measure linear, this edge, suppose align. So all the sides will be equal with the help of the edge method. This is the edge method. You can, with the help of the edge, you can make the square, triangle, and this one. And this is the inscribed circle, and this is the outward circle. When you will in the geometry, when you want to make the drawing where the corner to corner dimension is given, then you have to use the inscribed circle method. And when you have to make the polygon where the flat to flat faces are dimension is given, then you have to adopt the circumscribed method. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.